Hi, I'm Josh Simonson here today with MarineMax of Rogers. Here to show you this brand new NauticStar 223DC. This is an outboard, a Yamaha 200 on it. A lot of seating in here. Nice little lift as you get in so you don't have to step on any cushions. This is just where the batteries are. Storage under here. There's some storage under here as well. There is a table that goes right into this area for nice eating and drinking. We do have a great area here for storage. This is typically you put a head in here, but we didn't do the option for the head, so you can use this all for storage. Nice little sink on this 22-footer. Got the nice helm here. All your gauges are right here. You got the infinity stereo. And then when we come up to the front, we did option it with the fishing seat. So you can pop up the fishing seat, stand out the bow. Does have a folds down, you can take it out. There is a small fishing live well in here. Storage underneath both of those, and storage underneath there as well. This is a nice boat to trailer around all over the place. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look.